Just check out. Wow. It's next morning in Gangotri. Just check out his view. We are in a hotel. Let's look at. This is our room. And look at the flow of water. Just check out. You know, it's blunder. I'm just showing you from there to clear view. Just so much trees are there which is covering flow. Just look at. Oh my god, it's blunder, you know, the greatest flow of water. Just check out. Next morning, just like check out view. Oh, it's dew also. It's dew. Yeah, weather is so harsh. Just check out. You know, that's our down view. Oh yeah, my god, that's one. Oh, that's our view over. Alright, I'm just showing you more. Yeah, just check out their flow. Just check out flow there. You know, it's so much flow there. You know, it's where is just getting up to on the stones there. Oh my god, just check. That's another view, another hotel, and that's over. You can see there so much rooms there, 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 and there. Now let's get up to room. That's our room. Everybody is sleeping. All right.